Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. I'm joined with a special guest.
Philip.
What? You say Philip?
Hi guys. Hi.
Alright, guys, it's Xavior Spade. He's back. He's going to be teaching a move that we started a while ago on the channel, but I figure we'll bring him back and teach it again because I just think it's so good and it's underutilized. And it's something I used for like a year. Like I was obsessed with it. After you taught it on my channel, I used it for like a year nonstop, and it was the only control that I ever used. So I think that says something, and I think this is a perfect tutorial Tuesday episode. And Xavier, what is it that you're teaching today?
We're teaching the Mad Hot Mother pass.
The
Mad Hot Mother.
Guys, it's called the Mahatma Pass Control, and it's so good. So without further ado, let's cut in close, and Xavier will teach you exactly how to do it.
All right, peoples. Today we're going to learn the Red Hot Your Mother's Hot pass, and this pass was invented shortly after the year, and that's why it's that old, right? So this is one of those passes that it mimics an overhand shuffle, so it's a pretty chill kind of move. Like, it's not a move that you try to make a thing of, and it's a very nonchalant kind of action. Like, you do it as you're talking. So it's real simple. All you need to do is get a break, right? So if you're gonna have a card selected, let me show you how it looks. First, you have your little break on the card. You just give it a little mixy poo, and you control the card to the top of the deck, and that's pretty much it. So this isn't something that you want people to stare at your hands for. Like I said, this is kind of an in the action, like we're just kind of jibby jabbing kind of move. So let's get into the handlings. There's only one, and you'll be doing this faster than a snake could shake its tail. So you have the card selected, or you could dribble to a card, or you could have the card peeked. Doesn't really matter. What matters is if you want to control the card to the top of the deck, you have to make sure that you hold a break above the card that you want. So if you're going to peek, you have to drop the card and then hold a break. If you're going to do a dribble, you have to show this card, then hold a break. And if you're going to do a selection, whichever way you put the card into the deck, make sure that you have a break above it. That's all that's really important. Once you have that break, all you're going to do is pivot your hand thusly. You want to use a swift striking motion, like you're striking your thumb against the evils of antiquity. Oh, right, like that. So you're gonna do this, and you're gonna let that break open up. And you're just gonna grab, this is the difficult part, you grab everything that's not below that pinky break, and you let it flop, and you're gonna just let this shuffle off, right? So if you want to have more stuff to shuffle, make sure that the selection ends up deeper in the deck. So let's say the 2 of clubs, you square everything up, and you just pick that up, and you shuffle off, and you get more of a shuffle. Right? Now this kind of thing is a nice thing to let happen. You let them kind of spread out as if, like just kind of all over the place, and that gives you this nice moment to square and then go forward. So let's do that face down, okay? So the 2 of clubs is there, and now you could just give it a shuffle. That was one shuffle. One block shuffle. Don't do that. Don't go here. We'll just take this card and we'll shuffle. It's no illusion there. No illusion. Don't do that. So we'll take the 5 of hearts. Okay. 5 of hearts goes into the deck like that, and we'll just give this a quick little mix. Okay. And it goes to the top. So there you go. That is a simple way to control a card with advanced technique using mediocre thinking. Come with me, it'll be in the world of your imagination. That's all I know of the words in this song. If you like to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do. Anything you want, there's nothing.
That was really good. That was nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed Xavier singing. If you did, make sure to go down in the description and also click the little thing at the end of the video to go and subscribe to Xavier because he's the man and you will not regret it, and that's a promise.
Appreciate that, bro.
So make sure you go to his channel, hit the bell notification icon, go subscribe to him so you guys get notified as soon as he comes out with a video because everything he's dropping is hot fire. So go do that.
Super hot fire.
So thank you, Xavier. I appreciate it.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks for coming on, teaching it again. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video and my channel, and hit the little Alex. Sorry. And yeah, so thanks again, Xavier. Thank you guys for tuning in. Xavier, is there anything that you want to let the viewers know what's coming up or anything like that?
I plan on going on a diet soon.
Yeah, not with these pizzas, baby.
Not today, though. Yeah.
It's really
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.